Is your jowl area making you look and feel older than you really are? And let me tell you, you don't need surgery, fillers, or gimmicks to get the results you really want. Today, I'm going to show you how to lift, firm, and contour your skin's natural jawline and get the look you want. I'm Nancy Reagan, and for decades, I have helped women get glowing, radiant results that they really want. And I founded Skin Diva Labs to help you even further. Using clean, non-toxic, regenerative, big old word, or if you want to call it longevity, skincare. Let's go. As we age, two critical proteins in our skin made up of amino acids start to decline. That is collagen, elastin, and then on top of it, the underlying muscle structure is also weakening. Sucks, doesn't it? Think of it like a mattress that has a box springs that's holding up the top mattress, and that's what your skin is doing with the collagen and the elastin, and it's lifting it up so that that top layer looks firm and it's tight. Once that breaks down, just like the old mattress, when it does, that's when you start to see the jowls and the droops. And I don't know which is worse. And here's the truth. Aging or aging skin is not the only factor in the loss of the jowls or the increase of the jowls skin in this area. My number one hated for the skin, sugar. Even looking down all the time can increase, like what we do for the cell phones and our computers, unless you are looking eye to eye. All of that can really cause the skin to start to droop. The other factors are barrier repair and making sure that your skin's in great shape. And of course, your lifestyle. So what you eat is in your skin. So if you've noticed your jawline starting to soften, or if you have the neck muscles start to weaken, those are signs that your whole jaw area and is the skin on top and the muscles underneath, the mattress is needing a little repair. Before we get into the actual solutions, let's talk about the mistakes that I see women every day make. First and foremost are cleansers that strip away your skin's barrier, and combine that with exfoliants that do the same thing. Overloading on what you see on the trending actives that may or may not work. And those actives oftentimes will, again, hurt the skin barrier, causing the skin to sag even more. Or number three, falling for those instant lift ones that you see on TV oftentimes, or if you're walking the mall and they say, oh, try this cream, and you put it under your under eye and instantly there's no wrinkles, or other gimmicks that you see that are, oh, use this, twice a day and it will work. A lot of it is just the market, skincare market being the skincare market and the industry. The absolute truth for anyone over 40 is that you don't get really glowing, radiant skin and the results you're looking for by punishing your skin with all of this radical, what I consider radical, but is harshness for the skin. And the skin needs to be repaired and healed. So divas, let's get into what actually works. So number one on the list are peptides and ceramides. And think of them as, well, the ceramides is going to patch the foundation and peptides are going to strengthen that foundation. So you're looking for a combination of both in order to help firm that barrier that's below. Next on the list are antioxidants, and I mean super antioxidants, and NAD plus, what I call NAD plus boosters, like niacinamide. Those are going to be strengthening the skin to help it stay firmer, and give it that elasticity that you're looking for. But when you're rebuilding the skin, it's not just the products. It makes a difference on lifestyle. And these are all easy to say, but sleep is number one on the list because it really affects how your body repairs at night. And when you sleep and rest, your body is constantly rebuilding skin cells, healthy brain cells, all of the above. The next thing on the list that you really need to look out for is making sure that you're eating really well. Eat the vegetables. Don't eat the processed food. It makes a huge difference. And it's easy to say to lower your stress level because it's like easy. Meditating a little bit every day, it helps to reduce your stress levels and your cortisol levels. And when you have cortisol, what I call cortisol face, it's constantly in stress, so your skin cannot rebuild itself. Next thing is watch your posture. If you're looking at your cell phone, try to hold it up here. If you're looking at a computer, make sure that it's eye level with where you're sitting, so you're not constantly looking down, that you're looking up, because this will help. So now I want to give you a simple daily routine to start. First and foremost, cleanse gently with an emulsifier-free cleanser, a sulfate-free cleanser, and make sure that it's gentle to the skin barrier. Next in your routine is a hyaluronic acid toner, and also one with probiotics. And why is this such a big deal? Because you need to attract moisture to your skin when you're trying to repair the underlying cause that's making your mattress go like a little soft on you. So you want to make sure that you have a toner that's going to attract the moisture. Next, you have to feed the skin nutrients and power aminos in order for the skin to actually repair itself. This only happens when you're giving it a serum that has the ingredients in it to actually heal and repair the skin. Now, what it's doing is it's going back, and for simplicity, it's giving information to that cell to say, hey, wake up, number one. The NAD is used to, or NAD is used to help wake it up. Then we're going to feed it new information. So it is now in like repair mode. Next after that is you want a barrier repair cream. You want something that is going to hold in all the good stuff that you just did to your skin and also keep it away from the environment so that the environment is not affecting your skin. And please, I know slugging is super popular, but slugging with petrolatum is only making your skin what I call lazy skin. Lazy skin is skin that doesn't repair and heal. You're just slapping on an occlusive barrier, but it's doing nothing to actually fix your skin. So you want to put on a barrier repair cream that's actually going to have active ingredients in it that's going to repair and heal the skin. If you can, put in a nightly mask that is crazy rich in antioxidants. I like the one that has methylene blue in it because it is a super antioxidant, but find one that has good antioxidants, ceramides, again, they're going to help the skin repair overnight. What you do at home is way more important than what you can ever do at a surgeon's office, a dermatologist's office, or even having facials monthly. Do monthly facials help? Yes, but your daily routine and what you do at home is the most important. If you're ready to take back your glow, explore our regenerative, non-toxic, vegan skincare line that actually repairs the skin barrier, and it really, really, truly will make you look and feel radiant when you're looking in that mirror. And don't forget to subscribe, Divas, down below for more scientific, evidence-based solutions for our lovely aging skin over 40. Watch my next video on how to fix sagging skin naturally.